let's learn the brush. There are two parts of our tap shoe. We've got our ball tap or our toe tap and the heel tap. The brush only uses the front of your shoe, which is the ball tap. This is a single sound step. And if you're wondering about what the other single sound steps are, I have prepared for you a list of all the single sound tap steps. You're really gonna need it to make sure you know all of those as a beginner tap dancer. So we're gonna jump into the brush. You're going to pick up your foot at the knee. So oftentimes in this step, people are tempted to pull it back here. That is really gonna mess with your center of gravity, which is a balance issue. It's a weight distribution issue. We don't wanna do that. The knee does all the work. Tap is about up and down, not forward and back. So you're going to just pick up that foot. And if you need to hold on to something, I really recommend you do that. Hold on to something so you make sure you really understand the mechanics of the step. You're going to take your ball tap after you lift up your knee and you're going to strike it on the floor. It should make one single sound, not a slide, but just a strike on the floor. So if we had a little dot on the floor, we would want to just tap that dot right there. So we're going to pull up our knee, brush it forward. Brush it forward. You see, I'm not doing that. Did you hear that slide sound? Just right here, and it's right in front of me. It's also not really far away. Do you see what that does to my center of gravity? Makes it really hard to keep my balance. All my weight is on my supporting leg. So I have my working leg that's doing the work, and my supporting leg, which is supporting my body with all my weight. So in the brush, we keep all of our weight on our supporting leg, and our working leg carries no weight. So we're literally just brushing, just striking. It carries no weight. Okay, squeezing that core, lifting up that knee. Our ankle is nice and relaxed. Then do it to the other side. Just a nice, clear brush.